model details page, the third tab over here, the QQ-plot tab, gives you the QQ-plot. The QQ-plot plots the residuals. The residuals are basically the difference or differences between the observed values for a response and its predicted value according to the model that you selected. Now, ideally, the residuals are 0 or they are distributed around the value of 0. Now, when we do our statistical tests and we calculate our p-values, we make the basic assumption that the residuals are distributed around the value of 0, and these residuals are distributed in a normal distribution fashion. The QQ-plot essentially visualizes this check for you. Now here you have the residuals plotted, and if these residuals lie on this flat line, then we say that this check is passed and everything looks good. So our residuals do in fact have a mean 0 and are normally distributed. But if you see very strange things happen, if your residuals are very far from 0, then it's probably an indication that your model is not a very good fit. In some cases, you may have certain observations like this one over here, which has a very high value, a high negative value for the residual, and also a high negative value for the z-square, indicating that your model does not predict too well for this specific observation, in which case it may be worth investigating why that is the case, if this is an outlier, and so on.